Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of Just Retired. Ev, g'day.
G'day, Graham.
Now where have you been? It's a little while since we've done an episode.
Well, Graham, we had to find some really good footage so that we could do a really nice presentation for our viewers.
All right, and I guess we're exhausted after the Adelaide series. We got a few episodes out of that, didn't we?
That was very busy, wasn't it?
Yeah, very enjoyable. 2 holidays we had. Well, this episode is mostly about trains, but just before we get into the main part of the episode, there's a couple of things I want to show you, some videos that I've had sitting here waiting for quite some time. Remember back in episode 26, that's when we had our family holiday to Phillip Island, and Jason was acting the goat about looking for the Nobby's peanut factory when we were on the Nobby's nature walk. Of course, there's no Nobby's factory there.
No, of course not.
But this is Jace's sense of humour. So if you want to have a look at it, it's in episode 26. But just to remind you, this is what Jace did.
Hello, we are here at the Nobby's Lookout, and to be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. I was hoping to see the Nobby's peanut factory, but there's not a peanut in sight. It's not good enough.
Well, there he was back in May of 2022. Now we're in March of 2023 and he's still looking.
No, still no Nobby's factory. Lucky I brought my own packet. Come on. There we go.
Good on you, mate. He's a character and we love him. Now I wanted to show you this. This is what you see when Jace's phone first connects to Bluetooth in his car. Have a look. Jason, humble genius, connected. Good on you, mate. Now I want to show you the Adelaide O Bahn. This is you see the concrete track down there. Well, the bus drives onto that track, and from what I can see there are a couple of little horizontal wheels which the bus extends those wheels to guide it along each side of the track, and the driver doesn't have to steer. It's called the O Bahn. I'm just waiting here until a bus comes along and you can see how it works. It's quite fascinating. Now here comes one now, quite fascinating. They go fairly quick, don't they? And the driver doesn't have to steer. He was a good driver, he gave us a double thumbs up. I don't know whether you saw that. Now here's another one coming as well. Now a little while back we had a visit from 2 steam trains. I think one of the steam trains was moved to a couple of different positions during the journey so they could achieve the traction that they needed. There'll be more trains in a moment, but right now some video of the Timboon Railway Trestle Bridge. Now this is a very impressive little spot, Eve, isn't it? It's
beautiful.
It's an old, very old railway bridge, and it's a part of the Timboon Rail Trail now. So we just had a very brief visit there quite a while back and took a little bit of video just to show you what it's like. Here's the plaque that explains that this restored heritage listed Curtis River Railway Bridge was officially opened on the 19th of November 2010, and the restoration of the bridge involved 4,144 volunteer hours over 3 years. Now Ev, you know what I'm thinking as we're standing here looking at this bridge? Can you imagine in the old days seeing a steam train and listening to a steam train just going over that bridge? Wouldn't it have been amazing?
I think it would have been absolutely amazing, and yes, it's a beautiful spot here. We have the birds in the background and this beautiful bridge that's been restored.
That's the other thing. The last time we were here, it was quite a long time ago. You could walk along and view the bridge, but you couldn't walk on the bridge. It's since been restored with a new surface, and now it's a part of the rail trail. But before you could walk past it and admire it, but not walk on it.
No, it's really worth coming to have a look at.
Okay, well let's return to trains now. The Warrnambool Model Railway Club recently held their exhibition. Well, that's just about all that we've got in this particular episode of Just Retired. Amazing display of little trains, wasn't it, Ed? Model trains.
Absolutely beautiful. Really worth going to have a look at should it come your way.
All right, so thank you very much for watching this episode. We'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, bye for now.
And take it easy.
I was going to say that.
Okay. You
But
say
anyway, you've said it now, so yeah, take it easy. Bye.
bye.
Nah, still no Nobby's factory. Lucky I brought my own packet. Come on. There we go.